In today's video, we'll be sharing with this delicious chicken pot pie biscuits recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of cooked and shredded chicken, 1½ cup of frozen vegetables, 1½ cup of frozen corn, half a cup of onion diced, 2 cups of shredded cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of sour cream, 1 can of chicken soup, and 1 jumbo biscuit can. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 tablespoons of butter. In a pan over heat, we're going to add the butter and melt it completely. Now add in the onions and we're going to saute them. Add the garlic and continue to saute. Now add in the frozen corn. Add in the frozen vegetables and mix until everything is combined. Season with the salt, pepper, oregano, and the paprika. Open the can of soup and we're going to add this to the pan as well. Add in the sour cream, and the heavy cream and mix. Slowly add in 2 cups of water while mixing. Now we're going to add in the shredded chicken. Add the shredded cheese and mix. Now we're going to add in the parsley and mix until evenly combined. Transfer this mixture into a large baking pan. Now we're going to open up our can of biscuits. Split each biscuit in half and we're going to place this on top of our mixture. Use smaller biscuit pieces to fill in the smaller holes. Bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once out of the oven, let it cool for 10 minutes. Our chicken pot pie biscuits recipe is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.
keeping me